Hi everyone, it's Rebecca Zinabu from Reese Nichols, South Central Kansas. Today I have Kendall Pierce here with me. He's a loan officer and he also has experience in credit repair. So thanks for being here.
No problem. Thanks for having me. This is going to be fun.
Today we're just going to be going through some questions that I get a lot as an agent, credit and how to get a mortgage and stuff like that. One question that I get a lot is, what credit score do you need to actually buy a home?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. So, pre-COVID, it was actually around 580 for FHA. However, unfortunately, COVID hit. There's been a lot of regulations and tightening down of loan programs, and right now we're actually seeing 620 is the qualifying credit score for FHA, VA, USDA's 640 credit score. But to answer your question, 620 is the qualifying score.
Okay, great. What are some things that you could do to help build your credit?
There's actually a lot of things you can do to help, not only build, but help manipulate your credit to get that increase in credit score. So a lot of people don't know this, but 30% of your credit score actually comes from revolving lines of credit, so credit cards. What I tell my borrowers who don't have, established credit is, go to a website like Capital One. They have a secured credit card. Basically, you put $50 for the annual fee, and they give you a line of credit around $300.
Okay.
And so from there, what that does is that actually helps establish credit. And one thing you want to make sure not to do, you definitely don't want to max out these credit cards. Going over that 30 to 50% utilization. So if you have a credit card that, let's say you have a $300 limit, anything over 150 is most likely going to negatively impact your credit score.
Okay, so what you're saying is that you really shouldn't use all the money that's available to you on your credit card.
No, that will actually negatively impact your credit score. Also, having late payments. Late payments on just about anything will negatively impact your credit score, and it'll do it faster than you could actually raise it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Is there any benefit of having multiple credit cards, or is that actually a bad thing?
Personally, yes, I do have a couple credit cards, but you have to be responsible. It's not free money. You're going to pay interest on this money, but basically what you want to do is, be financially responsible. Making sure those payments are paid on time, making sure the utilization's low is going to show that you have good payment history, which is also going to increase your credit score.
Interesting. Mm-hmm. All right, thank you for coming here and talking to us and giving everyone some tips.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
All right.